Hey guys, so as you can tell, or maybe can't tell, I don't know because my background is so black, I'm actually sat in my car at the minute. It's really hard to film at my house right now for certain reasons, so I thought that I would come sit in my car and film instead. Hopefully you don't mind, but there we go. Anyway, today I have got February's Fright Crate box to show you. So, not gonna lie, I think this might be my least favourite box that I've had. Kind of half my fault because I don't really love the themes in it, and half because I don't really love the items in it. But I do really like Fright Crate, and I've ordered the next two. Like, I have nothing against them at all. I absolutely love them, and their customer service, everything is great. Just not my favourite box personally. So for anyone that hasn't seen this before, this is an American box and they have two different ones. They have a $20 box and a $30 box. I always get the $30 box because that has the bigger resin item in it, and if you order the smaller one, generally you don't get the resin item. And with the postage to the UK, it works out about £46–47, which is pretty expensive, but generally I really like them, so that's why I order them. So I'm going to stop rambling anyway and show you what is in here. So the first thing that we have on top is our t-shirt, and this is Jason's Revenge was the theme, and that is this. So it's a black t-shirt, and this is the design on it. This is pretty cool. Not really my kind of t-shirt personally. I like it when they do like one big kind of horror design on the front. I don't know. Just not my kind of t-shirt, but I do like it though. It's okay. I'll probably end up selling it, I'm not gonna lie. But that is our t-shirt. Anyway, you always get a t-shirt. Next I will do the pin, because you always get a pin, and the theme for this one is Cropsy. Now this is one of them that is my fault because I have never watched Cropsy personally. You'll have to let me know if it's worth giving it a watch if you've seen it. But this is what the pin looks like. It's still a really cool pin even if you've not seen the film. It's like pretty creepy. Obviously he's cut something off here, maybe a head or something with those shears. But that is our little February pin. Then one of the next themes was Killer Clowns, and we got a beanie. Now, as cool as this is, I just don't wear beanies, so this isn't really any use to me at all. Also, we've had quite a few beanies from Fright Crate, I feel like. I think maybe this is like my third one, possibly. Second or third, I can't really remember. But I don't know, I just don't know why we need multiple beanies. Personally, I would have preferred maybe like socks or gloves, or I don't know, if you want to put in a clothing item, it doesn't always have to be a beanie. But it is cool, and again, probably something that I will sell, because it's just not my kind of thing. I'm not a beanie kind of girl, but it's okay. So there is that. So next we have the item that I was most excited about, and that is the Hellraiser item. Now I really hoped that the Hellraiser item would be the resin or maybe the t-shirt or something bigger, but it's literally just one of these cardboard stands again. Don't get me wrong, it's cool and it's got great detail on it. Like, it's printed really well. Not that you can tell with my lighting, but it does look great. And if you're a horror collector, then this would be amazing on like a shelf or something. Basically the back like folds out and it makes a little standee. It's just kind of a piece of cardboard though. Like, I paid nearly £50 for this box, and that is quite a lot of money, and it's a printed piece of cardboard. So I don't know, it's one of those things where if you're super into horror and you collect it and you have like a horror room, this would be great. But if you're just a general person who's kind of into horror and doesn't really have a big collection, I can't really do anything with this. So I just wanted it to be one of the more main items. But again, that's kind of on me. I just personally don't really like these cardboard stands, so not really on Fright Crate, but that is our Hellraiser item anyway. And then last but not least, again, another film that I've not seen, and I don't know why I ordered this box, honestly. Usually I look at the themes, and if there's loads of themes that I like, I will get it, and if there's not, then I won't. I think I ordered this one just purely for Hellraiser and Jason's Revenge, so yeah. But anyway, this resin item is the theme C.H.U.D. Now, I've never even heard of the film, and I'm assuming that that's what it's called, because it's got little dots between the letters. So it could actually be C.H.U.D, but I think it's just C.H.U.D, I don't know. But this is our resin item anyway. He is very, very cool. Super, super detailed. I'm pretty sure all these are like hand painted and stuff, so that's pretty amazing. This is like a manhole cover, I think, that he's like supposed to be coming out of. So quite a good size as well. So that is that. I might keep him, maybe I will watch the film and then love this. But yeah, that was everything that came in Fright Crate for February anyway. I'll do a quick little overview again so you can see everything together. So there was the Hellraiser stand, the Killer Klowns hat, the Cropsy pin, the Jason's Revenge t-shirt, and the C.H.U.D resin monster guy. So these 5 things, like I said, it works out about £46 to the UK, which is pretty expensive, but it is a lot cheaper to America. So if you're in America, then you get a lot better deal. But yeah, I'll put the info down below for Fright Crate anyway, in case you want to go and check them out. I've got a few other videos to film soon. My next box from these will hopefully arrive in a few weeks, and I do have a Twisted Allure horror bath product one to do as well, so I will try and get those done as soon as I can. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I will do the bath one at the weekend. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. I hope you're all doing great in this craziness that's happening at the minute, and I hope you're all well, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.